I'm Elizabeth and welcome back to GrowthWheel. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the 20 focus areas. Many of these areas will look familiar to you because you're already working on them. If you've been running a business for just 6 months, you've already made decisions in each of these areas. Let's take a look. You have a business idea. You have some products or services or both. You found a way to sell what you're offering and have picked a price. You have various kinds of customers, and you know you have competitors or substitutes in the market. You have a group of owners, or maybe just yourself. You may have people working for you or with you. You have partners in terms of suppliers, vendors, or channels, or maybe you have an accountant, an attorney, or a graphic designer. You have business processes, even if they're not all written down. And you've launched your business, which created a legal entity. Or perhaps you have legal agreements with the people you work with. You've talked to people about your business and done networking to get customers. You have various marketing activities. Maybe you have brochures or menus of service, or you've attended a trade show, or you've planned a promotional event. You have a sales process, dealt with sales objections, and you service customers. You publish information in the media, either via Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or elsewhere. And if you have a business card with a logo, you've branded. You have accounts and hopefully a budget. You have funded your business some way, either through your own savings or maybe through a loan or an investment from others. You have a production and delivery system to get your product or service to your customers. You have IT systems to help run the business, even if it's just an email or maybe a PayPal account. And you have some sort of facilities out of which you're running your business. So there really isn't anything new for you to learn because you're already working on most of these areas, if not all of them. It may just be organized and arranged in a new way you haven't seen before. And it looks pretty, but there's one problem. It can't all be done, at least not all at once. We could hope to create the perfect growth wheel, but that isn't realistic. And you don't have to do it all. You just have to do the first things first. In this way, you can build your business brick by brick, decision by decision, and action by action. You could hope to come full circle, but this will probably never happen, because then you would probably decide to launch a new product or service, or open a second location, which means we'd have to go back and take new actions. Sometimes things break down. You lose an important customer, the market changes. When we fail, we have to fix things and revisit those decisions. What are our best options now, given the current circumstances? And sometimes a new opportunity comes flying in unexpectedly. It's okay to take advantage of that new opportunity. It's really all about moving forward. And you can focus on moving forward by focusing on the decisions you need to make and the actions you need to take. So that was a quick overview of GrowthWheel's 20 focus areas. If you have additional questions, I would encourage you to talk with your GrowthWheel certified business advisor. They're a great resource for helping you grow your business. This is Elizabeth with GrowthWheel, and I'll see you soon.